Okay, this is Planting Seeds by Dredg. Listen to this. Isn't that so cool? I mean, it's a single stroke roll on the snare, but he's making it interesting. First things first, if you can only play loud right, left, right, left, right, left on the snare, you're out of luck with this because you can tell all of the notes are quiet. There's that backbeat that he pops, but everything else is just right down low to the head. So again, this is around 152 is the tempo here. If all you can do is this, no, you need. So when you're practicing your single strokes, make sure that you're playing with the metronome and you're practicing your dynamics. So you should be able to do it this soft and quiet. Takes a lot of control. It might be frustrating. Play at a slow enough tempo that you can play nice and quiet. To play those relaxed, again, it's all about hand technique. Watch the hand technique video. Go over to tempoleague.com. Take my Better Hands course. You need to be able to stay extremely relaxed, keep the stick beats down low, and use your fingers to help out. You should feel your fingers on that stick, helping to play each of those strokes. So you got to build that up. You've got to build that up, or this is just going to frustrate you to no end. He does pop an accent, right? So it's a little slower than he does it in the song, but the point is, on those backbeats, all he's doing is playing nice and quiet, and when it comes time for a backbeat, he just picks up his right hand, throws it down. Hand technique video, again, we talk about being able to stop the stick. So you throw the stick down and you stop it next to the head. If I had to tense up every time I wanted to play an accent from low, it would throw off my whole groove because I'm changing what's going on in my hand. I'm tensing up. It would sound bad. It would hurt my hand. So again, you need to be able to stay loose, play that stroke from high, catch it down low, all while remaining extremely loose. So it's all hand technique stuff. Put the time in. You will be way less frustrated, be able to play this stuff and make it sound good, open up all kinds of doors, and that's what I'm here to help you do. So check out tempoleague.com, check out the hand technique video, and listen to Dredg Planting Seeds and all of the Dredg stuff. Lots of cool stuff there, and have a great week.